I have a new bed frame and we have this metal planks in here. What's very nice about these planks is that they snap into place. So if you're gonna be turning and twisting on the bed, it's not gonna move and it's not gonna make any squeaky sound. But we have a little issue right here. As you can see, the mattress, when it's on, it starts to sag in between the planks, and this is when the Bunkie board come to the rescue. As you can see, these boards are very nice and thick. They are hard, so they're gonna prevent my mattress from sagging. So here's my mattress before Bunkie boards, and this is how it looks after. As you can see, nothing sagging, nothing bulging out. So these bunkies, they literally help save the mattress and make the night sleep feel much more comfortable. So if you have a metal bed frame like I do, totally recommend looking at these boards.